Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and I have a video tutorial to share with you. We are in the middle of our West Africa unit study, and for this unit I decided to do a few hands-on projects. We're learning about West Africa, and one of the materials that's grown there is shea butter, and I decided to make homemade lip balm with shea butter as a project for this unit study. So for this project we're going to mix equal parts of shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and beeswax. This is a recipe that you can play around with. If you want a softer lip balm, you can use more coconut oil and less beeswax. We live in a hot area in the summer, and so I wanted something that was a little bit harder, and so you can use a little bit more beeswax if you want a harder lip balm, and if you want a softer one you can reduce your beeswax. Okay, so everything is just in a little mason jar in a pot of hot water. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for everything to melt and come together. You can also add essential oils if you want to flavor your lip balm. And then I got this lip balm kit from Amazon, and it made making these so easy. And what's really great is that they are reusable. So we're just going to gently pour in our lip balm into these little lip balm containers. And that way we can have our own homemade lip balm from ingredients that we know about. And of course we can use our shea butter as part of our unit study. So we're just going to scrape off the excess. Once it cools, it becomes hard and it's easy to scrape off. Then you just want to let it completely cool down and make sure they're nice and hard before you remove them. And then once they cool down, you can see that they are just like the lip balm that you buy in the store. They work really well. They smell really good. The only thing that I wanted to add to these were a few labels, because I've made these a few different times just so that we could know which kind these were and the smell and the flavor of them. If you want to see some of the other projects in our West Africa unit, you can tap on the screen right now. For more information about this project, don't forget to check out the blog post that accompanies this video. You can find that link down in the description box below. And if you want to see how our homeschool is progressing on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.